Hey guys, it's Kheyali and welcome back to my channel Knowledge and Beauty. So I'm back with another mandala art video, and in this time I have one background color related mandala art to show you. So first of all, I want to give thanks to all of the subscribers of my channel and also all of the regular viewers of my channel. So first of all, I am sharing with you about some previous art of my channel. If you want to watch the free tutorial of that art, please go to the description box and you will get the link. So before I start with this video, please make sure to subscribe my channel. Click that red subscribe button and please do this because it would really means a lot to me. And give this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, let's get started. So here for the first thing you need some colors, brush and paper, whatever you want, and one black gel pen. That's all you need to create that mandala art. So first of all, I am taking red and yellow poster watercolor, and here I am blending these two colors to give a background effect with two colors. It will give you mainly three colors, because one will be red color, another will be orange, and the last will be yellow color. So yeah, I am doing this. When you will color something, please make sure that you have enough water in your brush, and also when you will blend, that should be perfect, otherwise you can't draw on that. So here in the middle portion I am giving small color and extra water, so it will be easy to blend for me. Now I am adding yellow color on it, and again I am blending the two colors. You have to be very careful when you will color in the border part of that picture, because if you are not careful and if you are drawing something else in the outside of that border, then it will not look neat and clean. So you need to be careful when you will color in that border section. So now it's done, and after coloring we need to wait for 30 minutes so it will dry, and after that we will draw on it. So here you can see I am doing a small circle, and here mainly I will use some circle, some petals, some triangle geometrical shapes, and also I will fill with some geometrical shape, you can see. So guys, please stay tuned. What I did 3 circles, and out of that, around the middle circle I did one small circle, and I did some line mandala on that. So after that I have to draw some more circles. So here you can see I did, and Now it's time to fill that circle with some geometrical shapes or some petals or some triangular shape. So here I am doing that. Watch carefully. Here I am doing some triangle, and now I will fill the triangle also. So guys, when you will do color mandala art, then try not to fill very much, because if you fill by black color very much, then it will not show you that color on the background. So try not to fill that much. Fill less and do more work, so it will look great. Here also I am doing some line works. You can see. After that I am giving some small cute circle on it. So now it's completed, and I'm thinking that I will dedicate these things to our Indian Army. So here I will write some code for them in memory of those who died, so that we may live. A grand salute to our Indian Army from us. Share this video with your one friend who really need this. So guys, how it is? Please let me know in the comment section, and also if you like this video, please do a like and also subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. Bye. Take care.